HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the fundamental language for creating web pages. It serves as the backbone of the internet, providing the essential structure and layout for websites. Think of it as the building blocks of the internet, the very foundation upon which everything else is built. Just like a house needs walls, a roof, and windows, a website needs HTML to structure its content. Without HTML, web pages would be nothing more than plain text. HTML uses a system of tags, which are like instructions that tell the web browser how to display the content. These tags are crucial for defining elements like headings, paragraphs, links, and images. These tags are enclosed in angle brackets like this. This specific tag tells the browser to display the text following it as a heading. There are different levels of headings from H1 to H6, each serving a unique purpose. Don't worry if it sounds a bit technical at first. Everyone starts somewhere, and it's perfectly normal to feel a bit overwhelmed initially. The beauty of HTML lies in its simplicity. Despite its fundamental role, it's easy to learn and use. With a little practice, anyone can learn the basics and start creating their own web pages. It's a skill that opens up endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. In the next section, we'll delve into the history of HTML and how it all began. Understanding its origins will give you a deeper appreciation for this powerful language. HTML was first invented by Tim Berners-Lee in the late 1980s. At the time, he was working at CERN, a physics laboratory in Switzerland. Berners-Lee envisioned a way to share information electronically between researchers around the world. He created HTML as a way to structure documents and link them together, forming a web of information. This marked the birth of the World Wide Web as we know it today. Over the years, HTML has undergone several revisions and updates. From its humble beginnings, it has evolved into a powerful language that forms the foundation of the modern internet. Now, let's explore how HTML is used in web development today. HTML is the foundation upon which all websites are built. It is the basic building block of the web. When you visit a website, your web browser receives an HTML file from the server. This file contains the structure and content of the web page. The browser then reads the HTML code and displays the content on your screen. This process happens almost instantaneously. Web developers use HTML to structure the content of a web page, including text, images, videos, and links. This ensures that the content is organized and accessible. HTML provides a way to organize this content into headings, paragraphs, lists, and other elements. These elements help in creating a well-structured web page. By using HTML tags, developers can control the appearance and layout of a web page. This includes the placement of text and images. They can specify the font size, color, and style of text. This allows for customization and enhances the visual appeal of the website. They can also create tables, forms, and other interactive elements. These elements add functionality and interactivity to the web page. Next, we'll delve into why HTML is so important in the world of web development. Understanding HTML is crucial for anyone looking to build or maintain a website. Section 4. The backbone of the web. HTML is essential for several reasons. It is the foundation upon which the entire web is built. First, it provides a standardized way to structure web content, ensuring consistency across the internet. This ensures that web pages can be displayed correctly by different web browsers and devices, from desktops to smartphones. Second, HTML is a semantic language, meaning that it uses tags to describe the meaning of content, making it more understandable. For example, the tag indicates a heading, while the tag indicates a paragraph, providing clear structure. This semantic structure makes it easier for search engines to understand and index web pages, improving searchability. Finally, HTML is accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or technical expertise. It is a free and open language that anyone can learn and use, with countless resources available online. This has contributed to the democratization of the web, allowing people from all over the world to share their ideas and connect with others, fostering a global community. Now let's take a look at some real-world examples of HTML code in action to see how it all comes together. Section 5, Writing in Code, HTML Examples. Let's start with a simple example. The following code snippet shows a basic HTML document. HTML, my first web page. Hello world, this is my first web page. This code will create a simple web page with the title, my first web page, and display the text, Hello world, as a heading, and this is my first web page, as a paragraph. Each tag has a specific purpose. For example, the tag defines a level 1 heading. You can have up to 6 levels of headings, with being the smallest. Don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming at first. We'll break down some common HTML tags in the next section. Section 6, Essential HTML Tags, a closer look. Here are some common HTML tags and their functions. In 2, defines headings of different sizes, and create unordered bulleted lists, and create ordered numbered lists. Each of these tags plays a crucial role in structuring and presenting content on a web page. By understanding how to use them, you can create well-organized and visually appealing websites. Now let's conclude our exploration of HTML. Section 7, Embracing the World of HTML. Learning HTML is the first step towards becoming a web developer. It is a foundational language that opens up a world of possibilities in the digital realm. With its simple syntax and logical structure, HTML is surprisingly easy to learn. There are countless online resources, tutorials, and communities dedicated to helping beginners master the basics. So if you're interested in web development, don't hesitate to dive into the world of HTML. You'll be amazed at what you can create with just a few lines of code.